How to quickly clear trash from your storage of Windows 11 PC. So hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll guide you how you can get quick space if you're looking to download some games and installing, but you get an error that your installation disk is full. So for that, the first thing that you will need to do is simply head on to the settings of your Windows 11 PC. And once you are inside the settings, you need to head on to the system. Once inside the system, click onto the storage, and within the storage, you can see this option which is storage cells. Make sure that it is enabled as it will automatically free up space, delete temporary files, and manage locally available cloud content. If you need some cleanup recommendations, you can click onto this, and from here, click onto see advanced options. From here, you can delete these particular files like thumbnails, temporary internet files, delivery optimization files, error reports, shader cache, and temporary files as well, which will give you some of the space. But if you also want to delete all of your downloads, then you can delete your downloads as well. But if your downloads are important, don't uninstall them. And apart from that, you also have these options which are large or unused files. So you can click onto this and see if there are any large files that you are not using, and you can delete them as well. And similarly for unused tabs, if there are any unused tabs in your system, you can choose to remove them as well. So that was all. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.